Hello, I'm John Kadzierski, Evolv's Chief Executive Officer and President. I'm here with Chris Kretzer, Evolv's Chief Financial Officer. We're pleased to share an update on results of our Q3 2025 earnings call, which we issued yesterday. We had a strong quarter. We have and will continue to move forward with purpose, driving a clear strategy for long-term value creation. 2025 has been a busy year. We have made many positive changes to the business, which include putting in place a world-class leadership team, moving to resolve regulatory challenges while restructuring the business to enable profitability, pricing and fulfillment changes to maximize long-term ARR and RPO, putting in place a credit facility to strengthen the balance sheet and enable growth. We've implemented partnerships to drive value and scale, such as a new contract manufacturer announcement with Plexus. These changes have resulted in lifting significant headwinds on the business, enabling consistent growth and the first quarters of positive adjusted EBITDA in company history. Yesterday, we announced our Q3 results, which mark another step toward Evolv's goal of building a consistently high-growth business that scales with predictable results, driving long-term shareholder value through precision and execution. Chris, could you please share more details on our Q3 results and our outlook?
You bet. Thanks, John. A couple of Q3 highlights. We landed 60 new customers in the quarter, driving revenue of $43 million. That's up 57% year over year. And we posted adjusted EBITDA margins of 12%. This marks 4 consecutive quarters of positive adjusted EBITDA. Our 57% revenue growth had 3 notable items that positively affected Q3 and 2025 revenue. We covered those on the call in more detail, but make no mistake, we're very pleased with the progress. And as we've consistently shared with investors, our unwavering focus on ARR and RPO as essential KPIs continue to drive our business forward. Our annual recurring revenue grew 25% year over year to $117 million, while RPO reached nearly $300 million to end the quarter.
Thanks, Chris. How should investors think about our current momentum and what that means to our outlook?
You bet. Let me summarize first our 25 outlook. We raised expectations for revenue growth to be 37 to 40% on the year. This would have been approximately 30% when normalizing for the one-time items that I just mentioned. We also raised expectations for adjusted EBITDA margins to be in the high single digits for the year. And we expect to be cash flow positive again in Q4. If I look at 2026, we provided preliminary guidance, which we will update early next year. That guidance includes, first, we expect to deploy more units in 2026 than we did in 2025 on stable pricing, so the underlying business fundamentals remain strong. The shape of our revenue is changing in a positive way, with more ARR and RPO going forward. As a result, we expect total revenue growth of 15 to 20% to $160 to $165 million in 2026, with modest expansion of adjusted EBITDA margins over 2025 levels. Additionally, we expect ARR to grow by at least 20% and to grow at a faster rate than total revenue growth, which again is by design. It's important to recall that we have been discussing these changes to our go-to-market, distribution, and pricing structure that is a positive step for the company. We believe these purposeful changes will drive more ARR and RPO, which enables a more predictable business, more opportunity for operating leverage, and ultimately the opportunity for long-term value creation.
Thanks, Chris. Our Q3 results and 2025 outlook demonstrate the momentum we have in our business and the confidence we have looking into 2026. We are driven by our mission to make the world a safer place to live, learn, work, and play, while building a leading IoT SaaS security business. We believe security is a necessity, not a luxury. But we are proud of our progress and our results here to date. We will not be complacent. We will be relentless in our focus on innovation and delighting our customers. We will continue to move with purpose towards our goal of building a scalable, predictable, long-term value-creating business. We are thankful for the partnership of our investors and customers who place their trust in Evolv. We hold that trust sacred, and we work hard to earn your business every day. I want to take a moment to thank all our team members, the Evolvers, for their commitment and their execution to get Evolv to this point. We wish everyone a safe and joyful Thanksgiving and a happy holiday season. We look forward to sharing more with you in 2026.